Petey, can you show us all how to use the playset? Your excavator. JR, can you show us how to use the playset? Dunk. Cool. What are you doing now? Going down the ramp? Cool. Can you show us where the doors are? Where's the door? And what else is inside there?
A chalkboard.
Cool. And where else can you go inside?
Nothing else.
What about where the lights are in the little playhouse?
Yeah.
And you didn't show me the slide yet.
Which side?
Slide.
Which slide? Which slide?
Which slide? You know, the big blue slide.
Can you? Yes, I did.
I mean, not on this video. Can you go up the ladder and come down the slide? What does he think it is?
The side?
Oh, I was talking about this little step ladder.
Step ladder?
Yep. Does that wheel turn behind you? Cool. Pretty quick. Is there anything else you want to show me about the playset?